Hi everyone, and welcome to the Warehouse Overview Report, your at-a-glance starting point for understanding warehouse performance. This is the page you'll probably open with your first coffee each morning. Simply choose the warehouse metric you want to analyze, and the report instantly gives you a complete picture, helping you spot trends, compare locations, and identify where your attention is needed. Right now I have a number of pick lines selected. At the top I can see the monthly trend, while this tree map highlights my busiest locations. Sydney is clearly my highest volume distribution centre. Below that, the same metric is broken down by item, location, storage bin, and warehouse employee. Everything cross filters too, so if I click Sydney, the entire page instantly updates to show only activity for that site. Allow me to investigate further. Multiple selections can be chosen with Control or Command for October, November, December, for example. Or by holding your left mouse button, you can select the top 5 employees, like so. The real power of this page is the measure picker on the left. I'm not limited to pick lines. I can switch to put away activity, just like that, or quantity picked. As I can scroll down, you can see various options, weight balance and cubage, for example, and every visual updates instantly. For example, if I change to weight balance, I can see inventory steadily increasing over time. Now that tells me the business is growing, but also raises questions about how much stock we're holding and the cost of carrying that inventory. That's exactly the kind of insight this page is designed to surface before you drill into the more detailed reports. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.